Hi guys, welcome back to the Teaching and Learning Pedagogy TLS. This is Abdul. I hope you are doing well. So today's lesson is about science pedagogy, as I'm receiving messages from teachers regarding the resources. So I have decided to I must give you some lessons and tips about the science pedagogy. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the standard 1, indicator 1. And there are the few important things that you should memorize. You should know about that. You should go further study about that, and you can expect some questions from the standard 1. So if you are the science teacher, and I'm sure that you went through these the terms about the standard 1, but the purpose of this video to highlight the more important points you may missed, and to remind you that this content will help you a lot in your pedagogy test. So without wasting time, let's go to the screen. But if you are before that, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. If you want more videos, press the bell icon button. If you think this video is useful for you, don't forget to like. So let's see. Here's the screen. Scientific inquiry and investigation. Standard 1, indicator 1.1. So what is the indicator 1? Let's read about that. Scientific inquiry and investigation. The indicator 1.1, knowledge and understanding of concept of scientific inquiry, theories, models, laws, investigations, observation, hypothesis, conclusion, and scientific method. So mostly I'll be talking about the scientific inquiry, theories, and the models. I'll be giving you some, and laws, investigations, and scientific method about there are many other videos you will be finding about the scientific methods. So let's discuss about what is scientific investigation. Answer to question through scientific method, step-by-step process of the scientific. So this is very simple, but you have to go through it, whatever the students conduct during the experiment in lab, that is step by step to prove something, and that is called the scientific method. There are three types of the investigation. One is the observational method, the experimental method, and the survey method. So the observational method, you should know, it's about the recording the observation. However, the experimental method to test the hypothesis, and the survey method to getting the information. So they can ask you about anything about these three things. So you have to go through that. So steps in observational and experimental scientific method. So this is the chart which will help you, and you must know that how observation methods works and how experimental method works. So what is the difference between them? So if you're going to see that from observational, they have the observation, analysis, relationship, and hypothesis. So this is the reverse process part. However, the experimental, first we have a hypothesis, that's the theory, and then go observation, analysis, and a relationship in this. So these are the two different methods you should know about, that how these two things gonna work. So they may ask you about the question, and they can ask you about, give you chart and table, and ask you that which one is the experimental method and which one is the observational method. Now, the scientific inquiry, which is the form of problem solving and the questioning that helps people come to greater understanding of observable phenomena. So if your science is specialized, then you should know about what is a scientific inquiry. And the another thing is about the theories or explanation, and explanations are the two types. Okay, I'll suggest you that you should go further detail in about the ideographic and nomothetic. So you have to go and study in the detail, and you may face the question from these two types of the theories. Building blocks of the theory, there are the four building blocks of the theories. One is the constructs, and the other one is the propositions, logic, and boundary conditions. So in constructs, what concepts are important? And so the word what starts with the propositions, how concepts are related to each other. Logic, why these concepts are related. Boundary conditions and assumptions, who, when, and where. Under what circumstances will these concepts and relationship work? So they are the four building blocks of the theory, and you should know about these four building blocks. Okay. And the scientific methods are developed as a means of helping people understanding scientific concepts and representing them in a visual medium. So the models, if you see the atomic model, that's a visual model of that one. So there's many like these models. Okay, they're gonna help to understand these models, that what is the connection and the representation, and what is the purpose of the representation for these model. So if you are a science teacher, go throughout the book and check like the atomic model. There are the several other models of that, and circuit connections. Okay, these models, they will help you a lot and understand the visual concept for these. They may include physical and digital models, though they can be chart, graphs, and other bar graphs for which can be refined over time by inclusion of the scientific knowledge. So I'll recommend you that go through these models, at least the common models that you follow in your classroom or in your textbooks. And last, the scientific laws. I have filtered some scientific laws that you should know, that what is uh, what are these laws, at least the main purpose of these laws. So you have to study and go a little bit into the detail about. So these are the laws, and these 10 laws I have found the important laws. You should go about that, and what are these laws. It will help you a lot in your exam. So this is the short video and overview about the standard 1 and indicator 1.1. So I hope you like it. Please tell me about your feedback in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon button for that you can get the notification about the upcoming videos. Till that, stay blessed, and thank you so much. We'll be meeting in the next lesson with a new standard and new topic. Have a nice day.